This is a video explaining how you can get back on the road after one of the DEF heating lines break. In this case, we were driving and this lines broke, started leaking coolant. So the way we got back on the road is by putting some plugs. One goes in here, so this line goes in here, and as you can see, we just put a plug, and the other one goes right there, and as you can see, that one we just put another plug. So this is the how it comes originally. This plug goes like that, and then the line plugs in here just like this. So to remove this fitting, you're gonna need a 1 1/4 socket for the one in the back, and for this one right here, it's gonna take a 1 3/16. And once you remove them, all you have to do is put the plugs. The plug we used on this one right there is the same plug that the oil pan has for the oil drain. And this other plug right here is gonna be the same size as this. I'm not exactly sure what size is that. I just happened to have one when I was on the road, and we just plugged it in right there. So just make sure you get one of these. If you're on the road with the hoses leaking, then yeah, you're gonna have to find one of those. Or if it still hasn't happened to you, then you might wanna have an extra one and the one in the back, just so you can get out of the problem easier. You're gonna have to remove the air filter on top. It's pretty simple to remove. And this is the coolant lines for the DEF. There's a part number for this truck, so just get the ones for your VIN number. One of them was like $250 and the other one was like $150, around there. So if it still hasn't happened to you, that if you still haven't had that issue on the road, I recommend you to replace the lines before it happens. This truck is 700,000 miles, so that's when it broke. So if you have one of these cascadias, I think it's easier to replace it at home than on the road, because on the road it's a lot of work. You're gonna have to remove all that, and there's some clamps on the back right there. As you can see, that clamp right there. And so we remove all this covers right here, and there's a lot of work. You don't have to remove the filters. We were just working on this a separate job. So we're gonna see what we have to remove. I think we're gonna have to remove the exhaust pipe. So yeah, we recommend you guys to get this done at home before it happens on the road, or just have some extra plugs. So thanks for watching.